What if I tell you that astrology is not just about zodiac signs? It is about precision, it is about timing, and it is about probability based analysis. Welcome to the fascinating world of KP astrology. Before understanding KP astrology, let's ask one simple question. What is astrology? Astrology, an ancient system that attempts to study the relationship between the position of celestial bodies and events in human life. Over thousands of years, many systems evolved, but in the 20th century, one astrologer asked a revolutionary question. Can astrology become more accurate and more scientific in its method? That astrologer was Professor K.S. Krishnamurti. His answer became Krishnamurti Patti or simply KP astrology. How does KP astrology work? Traditional astrology often gives importance to science, planetary strength, and many classical rules. But KP astrology takes a different approach. It focuses on three main levels. Number one, planet, number two, star lord, and number three, sublord. According to KP, a planet may occupy one sign, but the real result depends mainly on the nakshatra it occupies. And finally, the sublord decides whether that promise will actually manifest or not. In simple words, planet shows the actor, starlord shows the story, and sublord gives the final decision. This layered analysis is one of the defining features of KP astrology. Why is KP astrology important? KP astrology was designed to reduce ambiguity. Instead of giving broad predictions, it aims to answer practical questions such as: will I get the job? When will marriage happen? Will this business succeed? Is foreign travel indicated? Supporters of KP believe that using cusps, nakshatras, sublords, and precise timing techniques helps make prediction more specific than many traditional approaches. Why do many occult researchers consider KP highly accurate? Many astrologers prefer KP because it follows a structured rule-based framework. Every prediction follows a sequence: house significators, star lord, or sublord, then timing through dasa and transit. The goal is to reduce guesswork and make the reasoning transparent. Like any astrological system, its effectiveness remains a subject of debate, and there is no scientific consensus that astrology has been proven to predict future events. However, within the field of astrology, KP has earned a reputation among many practitioners for its detailed and systematic methodology. In this course, we will not memorize astrology, we will understand its logic, its structure, and its prediction process step by step. Because prediction without logic is only belief, prediction with method becomes analysis. Welcome to KP Astrology.